Hello everyone and welcome to Colorful Pages. I'm sure you all are doing very well. Today I am here with a very beautiful tutorial. This tutorial is very close to my heart because I have made this for a special occasion. This special occasion is the most celebrated occasion in India. That is our Independence Day. Yes, even I love this day, love my country a lot. So just for that, I have made a beautiful card. Now this card can be used for inviting somebody, for welcoming somebody, or also for greeting somebody on this special occasion, that is 15th August. I have made this card using absolutely simple things, nothing very fancy, but you will see that it looks really awesome. So I hope you all are ready to learn that from me. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this very simple and easy card, I have taken a A4 size of ivory paper. If you don't have ivory paper, you can even use a simple and thick chart paper or a handmade cold press or hot press paper. What you have to do is just simply fold it like this. So this A4 size card will be folded. That is the A4 size paper will be folded like this. Alright, you can just open and see how it looks, and this is a normal card pasting. It's nothing very special. I'm using a big ruler and around 1 centimeter I am going to leave on all four sides. That means I'm making a border of around 1 centimeter on the front all four sides of the card. So here I go, just simply doing this easy work, yet a beautiful card you will see like this. See, now 1 centimeter border on all the four sides. I will be taking a pencil now and just making a kind of wave like this, just roughly dividing this area into 3 equal portions like this. So just 2 lines, wavy lines you have to make here. Now I will be using this orange color, the saffron color for the top of the card, and I'm using acrylic color. You have acrylic color, you have your fabric color, any color you can use. So this one is, you can see the acrylic, this one is the fabric. It doesn't matter much. I will start with the outer area, that is the border area. So here I am going to do the straight coloring. Like this, but on the sides I will do zigzag. See, both the sides. Then again this I will do straight, going along with the curve, and again the side I will do zigzag. Like this. See, finally join with this. Now inner area I will use water and I'm going to paint, just simply filling in of the colors. Use lot of water to paint here. Now same what we have done on the top portion, we are going to do at the lower portion of this card, and we'll use the green color. After the orange and green color is dried nicely, I have sketched some design here, which is the mandala design, and they are really very easy to make. I have drawn all of them absolutely freehand like this. See, So I've done it with pencil first to show that you can do it with pencil also, but those who are expert can directly do it with the help of pen. I'm using a black pen to do the outline of this one first, like this, and then I'm going to this area. I am going to show you that the experts can even make this kind of design without using the pencil. They can do it directly with the pen. Some of you will ask which pen I am using. For now I am using Pentonic Link gel pen. You can also use any other company gel pen, that will also work fine on this. Marker, if you want to use, you have to use a fine marker. In that case the marker should not be very thick, and like this only in the starting. See, this is the way in which I am doing the, here I am doing the double coat with the help of the black gel pen, like this, simply like this, just overdrawing. Very easy and very beautiful artwork this is. Some area I will fill it with the same pen. See, now let us do this very I have finished the beautiful design on the top orange part, and now I will start in the same way as I have done on top. I will do some design on the green part also. So after completing this background area, the beautiful design on the orange and the green, now we'll do a design portion in the center. This will be better. Like this, see. I will make few more circles here because I want to make a design in this portion also. So this is also almost done. So with the help of pencil and scale and compass, I have made the center part of the design now. I'm using this normal blue gel pen to start working on this, and very easily and simply I'm going to create this wonderful design with this blue gel pen, and you will be surprised to see that with ordinary pens and ordinary things, how nice and beautiful things we can create. See, you can use pilot pen. If you don't have a gel pen, you can use a pilot pen also, that will also work fine. So like this, the entire design we will finish very quickly. So I have finished the center blue design also. I want to erase the pencil mark, but I will wait for some time because the work I have done is with ordinary gel pen, and it will take some time to dry. I will wait for another 2-3 hours, and then I will use the ordinary erasers which I have to erase all the pencil mark. After erasing all the lines, the pencil mark, now this card is ready from the front section, but inside, due to coloring, little orange and little green paint came inside the card. So what I am going to do, I want to decorate this from inside also. For that, I have taken one more ivory paper, and I will take out some pieces of it. How much size I am going to take is 13 centimeter, like this, 2 pieces which I can add on to both the sides of the card like this. So I'm going to cut this now. After making the marks, just draw the lines, and of course with the help of scissor, this will be taken out like this. Okay, so both the pieces are now ready now, like this. I'm going to keep this aside, and I have these beautiful strips. These are the paper quilling strips. If you don't have paper quilling strips, you can use the tricolor paper. Of course, white is there, so you will be needing only orange and green color. And like this, you can take out the strip from the paper. You can take Audi sheets or pastel paper. And these will be used. I will show you how I am going to use these. I am going to paste these onto the card and make a nice border of it. Okay. For sticking, I am going to use fabric glue because it sticks little faster, so I always like to use fabric glue only. If you don't have fabric glue, you can use the normal Fevicol or any other glue you prefer using, like this. And I'm sure you all know how to stick, so it's not a big deal. Just from the corner to another corner. In this way, the inner portion of the card is also going to get beautiful. Now both these pieces are absolutely ready. I'm going to take my card and I'm going to open it, and I will see the placement. So it's quite perfect, and now you can see it looks even more colorful from inside, right? I'm going to use this Fevistick, and with the help of Fevistick, use Fevistick, Fevicol, any kind of sticking adhesive you have, and like this simply we are going to apply it on the back. And I'm going to paste it like this. Very easy it is to paste with this Fevistick because it is less messy. Somehow I feel this is very less messy and easy to use. Quick also. See how nicely it's sticked. Isn't it good and better? Yeah. So I'm going to use it on the other side also. Little here and there. And finally, and in this way you can see this mark also I could manage hiding it. Now the card will look absolutely amazing from inside out. Inside also it is looking very pretty, and from outside also. Now see. Yes, I know you all have enjoyed making this beautiful card with me. The wonderful design which has come out to be, and the shine in the card you can see even after using all these simple items is amazing. How nice it looks from outside, and also it looks amazingly pretty from inside. Now this card you can write whatever you want to write, some quotes, some invitations, some welcome lines, some poetry, or anything you feel like to in this area. So it is going to look absolutely amazing from inside also. Plus you have a lot of writing space here. Yes, and you must have seen that even by using simpler things, ordinary things which we already have at home, we can create beautiful things. Yes, I'm sure you all are also ready to celebrate 15 August with me and gift such kind of beautiful cards to your friends, to your relatives, at your workplace, here and there, wherever you want to give it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more creative videos. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep learning always.